A new kind of nursing classroom on wheels is hitting the streets in Hampton Roads. I'm Wan. This is WHO News. When students can't physically be on campus, medical education programs are using mobile simulation labs. There are RV-style units that let students practice clinical skills before working with real patients. The labs are equipped with mannequins that can mimic breathing, vital signs, and medical emergencies. ECPI University launched theirs this month. Chief Operating Officer Barbara Marar says the goal is to expand access to hands-on training beyond traditional classrooms.
Either it's inconvenient for them to come to the campus, or perhaps it's in rural areas where students don't have access to the nursing labs. So our first purpose really is to bring it to the community.
Old Dominion University has used a mobile health clinic since 2022 to deliver free care in underserved areas while training nursing students. Wan, WHO News.